I'm opening the MR200 SmartRing box. I'm taking out the MR200 SmartRing and showing it up close. It has sensors and an engraved Maxcom logo. I'm taking out the charging case and showing it up close. It has a USB-C port. I'm taking out the user manual. I'm taking out the USB charging cable. The charging cable, MR200 SmartRing in the case, and user manual placed next to each other. I'm showing the MR200 SmartRing on my hand. I'm placing the MR200 SmartRing in the charging case, which immediately starts charging it.